CryptoSoul use a new economic game model focused on the player's earnings. For the game achievements, the player earns tokens which have real value. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, I am going to tell you each and everything regarding the CryptoSoul, and I will also tell you that how you can make passive income with the help of CryptoSoul. Because the main motto of the CryptoSoul is only and only transforming gaming from the model player spends to the model player earns. So that is such a great thing regarding the CryptoSoul token. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. First of all, basically this token CryptoSoul is available on the CoinMarketCap, and also it is a tradable coin, so you can easily trade this token on two big exchanges. First of all, on the Mercatox exchange in BTC and Ethereum pair, and also you can trade this token on the Hotbit exchange in Ethereum pair. So the basic thing which I just want to tell you, the major factors regarding the CryptoSoul. So what is CryptoSoul all about? What are the factors which basically take, you can say, entirely different, a new thing in the whole crypto market? Basically, esports is the main way to earn money by playing video games. The main reason, or okay, you can say the main reason or factor to choose the CryptoSoul is that players don't have material value, because game currency isn't appreciated in the real world, and this is the main reason for the low numbers of players who earn. At present, 30% of people in the world already play video games. Year by year, games becomes more and more similar to reality, and the line between the virtual world and real world disappears gradually. And this thing, basically, if you are going to work on the CryptoSoul, as I am telling you here, you can see the basic thing that right now the mobile app is over here. So you can easily download the mobile app. I will share the link in the description, so you can easily install this one on your personal mobile phone. And if you are going to play the games on this platform, the Merge Cats, definitely you are going to get number of CryptoSoul tokens very easily. Now I will tell you the main key factors of the CryptoSoul. Basically, the CryptoSoul has a monetary value. The CryptoSoul can be exchanged with a lottery ticket. As I told you, it is very simple that you can even trade this token on two big exchanges in different pairs. The CryptoSoul is used for in-game shopping, so that is such a great thing. The game currency has value in the real world. An easy way to earn money. The game exists due to the demand for the token. For the traders, I have a great news for the traders even, because it is like basically the CSoul, the CryptoSoul is like a bag full of gold, as already the team is buying back tokens. That is such a great thing, seriously, because most of the time you can see one thing, that most of the currencies are over there. I'm not going to mention the name of all those basically tokens and coins, but most of the time the team is not working behind that. But in the CryptoSoul, it is not like this, because already the team is buying back tokens on different exchanges, on the Hotbit and also on the Mercatox, and already burnt 2.1 million tokens. And next Soul token, the CryptoSoul token burn will be on the 30th June. So it means that there are lots of game lovers all over the world, and only some soul tokens, only some soul tokens are there. So definitely the price will increase in coming future. And as you can see it by yourself in the chart, you can see each and every fluctuation. Basically every time they increase the price and everything, because the thing is this, they distributed their token to all the community, because the team don't have as much tokens right now. They are just buying back all the tokens and they are burning those tokens. So that is such a great thing. So the main mission of the CryptoSoul is only and only CryptoSoul is a free to okay, you can say free to play a battle you can say the royal game with MOBA elements. The constantly narrowing borders of the game area make the players compete against each other. So this is basically the Crypto Soul all about. So it is very easy. Here you can see the main platform. You can easily sign up on this platform, and here you can see a number of people which are earning the Crypto Soul tokens every day. And if you also want to join this, it is very easy for you. At this time you just have to sign up, and then you can start playing the game on the Crypto Soul platform, and you are going to earn number of Crypto Soul tokens. Here you can see each and everything how it works. They basically elaborate each and everything on their main platform, so it is very easy for you to know. Basically their main principles are free to play, bots protection, valuable currency, respect to the time, simplicity and clarity. So these are the key factors, and here comes the entire team of the Crypto Soul. So if you want to ask anything from the team, you can directly message them, or you can join them on the Telegram, and they are each and every question of yours. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and I will share the link of the main platform Crypto Soul, first of all this one, and secondly I will share the link of this mobile app. So it is very easy for you. If you are going to download this one app and you are going to spend only and only, for example, 10 minutes every day, you are going to make number of Crypto Soul tokens with the help of this app. So go grab this opportunity right now, and as I told you, especially for the traders, it is a hidden gem of 2020. Very soon you can see a huge increase in the price. As per my point of view, you can see this token very soon at 0.05 or 0.04. so that is such a great thing, because the basic thing, as I told you, that already the team burnt up to 2.1 million tokens which they bought from the exchanges, and on 30th June more basically Crypto Soul tokens will be burnt. So that is such a great thing. So definitely this is your time, so you must have to take the advantage of this. You have to take the advantage of this time, otherwise you'll be late and you will miss the train. Thanks a lot.